How to transfer WhatsApp chat history to new phone. Now to do this you need two phones and both phones must use the same operating system, that is if iPhone to iPhone or Android to Android. So on your old phone simply open the WhatsApp app and tap on the three vertical dots and then tap on settings. And on your settings you'll find chats option, simply tap on chats. And if you scroll down you'll find transfer chats, simply tap on transfer chats. And this will transfer your chat history privately and have your most up-to-date messages. So if you want to do this, simply tap on start and tap on allow. Now wait for the WhatsApp to prepare your chats, and after the first stage is complete you'll have to connect your phones and then the transferring chat will begin. Now simply follow the instruction, that is download WhatsApp on your new Android device and register with the same number that is registered on this device, and when prompted simply enter the code that is given here. And after that what you do is simply continue, and from here a scan QR code option will be available. From there you just have to scan the QR code and your process will begin shortly after. And to make the transfer successful, keep both phones close together with Wi-Fi turned on until the transfer hits 100%. And that's it for the video guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next